Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to take a quiz in Moodle. So from your course page here, there's two ways to navigate to a quiz. You can of course scroll down to the week or the topic that the quiz is contained in, or you can come over to the activities block here and click on quizzes. Okay, from the activities block, where the quiz in question is located, either topic or week will be listed here, the name of the quiz here, and if a close date is set, the date and time that the quiz closes here. So we can see quiz 1, I have until tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. to take this quiz. So I'm going to click on quiz 1. Okay, so again from this page it'll show the attempts that you have left, which should always be 1. Again, the date the quiz closes, and if there's a time limit, the time limit here. So we're going to make an attempt on this quiz. Okay, so here on the page, this is the page where all the questions will be listed. This quiz only has one question. I want to show you this. On the right hand side here, it'll show all the questions here. Again, this quiz only has one question, but if there were 4 or 5 or 10, they would all be here indicating how many questions are on this quiz. And then here it shows the amount of time that you have left to take this particular quiz. I'm going to enter my answer there. When you're all done with the entire quiz, at the bottom of the quiz will be finish attempt. So you want to click that. Okay. If you click finish attempt and you realize, oh, I didn't answer something, because all of the answers, all the questions will be listed here with the answers, you can always return to the attempt and continue to work through it, change things, edit things, whatever, up until, of course, this time limit expires. So you want to pay attention to that. But when you are done and you're ready to completely submit all and finish, you click here, submit all and finish. It will again ask you to confirm, is this really what you want to do? Submit all and finish. Yes. And navigating back to the course page. We can go back. We can go to the quiz this time on the course page. We can go back to the quiz. And it will list here that you did finish it, when it was submitted, day and time, whether it's been graded yet or not. And that's how you take a quiz in Moodle.